This is going to be an unboxing of a Craftsman's 3000 inverter generator. So let's get started. Take this handy little knife of mine here and start to open the box here. Move it out of the way. Okay. Never been opened before. The first thing we see in the box is the instruction manual. Inverter generator, Craftsman, it says on it. Instruction manual. The next thing I see here is the funnel. Make sure you can see what I'm doing. Take that out. You have the tools, screwdriver, and this is a wrench that goes with that you can use on the generator, inverter generator. Here's your oil. It says it's an SAE 30 weight oil. It's in a Ziploc bag. We'll push that forward a little more. Then you got styrofoam on top of the generator to protect it. The generator is like 59 pounds. So this is not going to be lightweight. So we'll take it out. Slide the box out of the way. There's nothing left in the box. Swing this around. It has rubber legs. I can feel it dragging on the floor. This is a gas fill up here. Doesn't want to come off. Back at you, we had a hold up because the gas cap wouldn't come off. So what I did that over again, what I had to do is take a pipe wrench, take a rag, put it on the gas cap, and then take it off. Loosen it up, should I say, loosen it up. And then once I did that, there's no marks on it, then you can just back it off. It's got a little string holding it inside of this thing. So after you do that, then you can tighten it back up. Let's see if you can see what I'm doing, okay. And then there. And then you can, okay, for some unknown reason it was so tight. Okay, I wanted you to see the buttons and the AC outlets there. Your on button. Okay, your choke. This is for your run and choke and off. This will turn it off. This will choke. Turn it to choke. You turn off the economy button. When instead of starting it, you turn the economy button off. You turn it to choke. You might as well take this off of here now. And this one is what you pull to start it. And, this is where your spark plug is located. I already looked in there. And down here, to open this, you have to turn it. It's not a pull. You turn to unlock it. And that's where the oil goes. Right in here. And we'll be doing a video on putting gas in it and oil in it.